Hey ladies, I'm going to actually share with you how you can actually roll a top too and also get more space in your closet, okay? What I'm going to do is I folded this in half and I'm going to roll the top from the bottom, right? I'm going to roll it from the bottom and then I'm going to take the sleeves and I'm actually going to fold them in, okay? And then I'm going to actually take the side and I'm tucking it in the top, okay? And then what I've done is by tucking in the top, all I do on the back side is then pop this over and tuck the other end in. And what I have here is a burrito roll for this top. How about that? So this is great. You can store it in a drawer. And you can also pop it in a bag if you need to pack a bunch of stuff. It saves a lot of space. You all can even do this with your dirty clothes, right? You can get a little plastic bag, roll all your dirty clothes. You got more room in your bag, okay? Hopefully this helps. I hope you're enjoying all of these space-saving tips. Take care and have a great day. Come find us on shopmountainside.com.